Bidding wars are back. I'm Fallico of the Fallico Group, and on this segment of Thoughts on the Red Share, we're going to share 4 tips on how to win. The seller is looking for an offer with the highest degree of conviction and commitment. They don't want a flaky or unsure buyer. We all know the highest price wins, but I'm here to tell you I've seen many sellers take less money when real conviction shows up at the table. The size of the deposit, for one, matters, and having the check in hand tells the seller you're prepared on actually closing, as you won't walk away from a big deposit. Number 2, the closing date. Is the house sitting empty? As the seller may take less money if you close quickly to alleviate their monthly carrying costs of mortgage, taxes, insurance, etc. 3, if you have a finance condition, a seller will look at this as a possible escape clause and see you as shopping for something you may not be able to afford. And 4, inspections. We all know they're important, but if you're serious about a house, you should have done it prior to entering the bidding war. Otherwise, you've just given the seller yet another condition that tells them you're still not sure if this house even meets your standards. Decisions suffer when there's uncertainty, and a seller does not want to inherit a buyer's uncertainty. Losing in a bidding war, unprepared, essentially raises the price for all bidders, including yourself, in that neighborhood for future comps. Before you propose and go down on one knee, you should have the ring in hand, or you're simply telling the world, I'm not really sure I've quite thought this thing through. More tips next week.